Are deep phone menus and high transfer rates frustrating your callers? If you need a reliable IVR service provider that routes, resolves, and updates systems in real time, MindRind is your strategic execution partner. Traditional phone trees break the moment a caller speaks off script, leading to long hold times, high handle costs, and frustrated customers. As one of the leading IVR solution providers, we build intent-first systems with barge-in support, grounded answers, and safe tool execution. From self-service payments and order tracking to healthcare scheduling and banking authentication, our architecture is built for regulated environments. Our AI IVR system uses domain-tuned speech recognition, in-stream PII redaction, and strict access controls to keep every interaction compliant. Beyond secure system architecture, our delivery process ensures seamless adoption. We baseline your accuracy on real call audio, deploy sandboxed pilots in 3 to 6 weeks, and scale your voice automation behind strict ML ops guardrails. Enterprise contact centers partner with MindRind, among the best IVR providers, to deliver natural self-service that boosts CSAT, backed by real-time observability, token cost controls, and an 87% success rate. Ready to replace rigid phone trees with natural, intelligent conversations. Fill out the short form on this page to share your workflow goals, and our team will prepare a custom implementation roadmap. Don't let outdated IVR systems hurt your customer satisfaction. Click the link below to book a strategy session today and consult directly with our enterprise AI architects.